The special prize is for Declerck and Daels Architecten for the House B in Roeselare, Belgium. The project is a family house in a difficult urban context. The surroundings are quite poor and various in terms of architecture and materials. The project is located between one floor storage building and a 8 floors high public library on the other side. The plot to build has very constraining dimensions. The jury has valued the pertinent answer, although those constraints, the introversion allowed thanks to skylight and terraces, a house understood as a sculptural block with remarkable management of the facades, angles, walls and overlapping, the mix of raw materials, bricks and black zinc, the roof treated like a facade, the fifth facade, because the project is visible from the library, and the interesting thing details like the low slope and box gutters, the skylight finishing, and the thick wall capping. Is the roof shape the simple result of the volumes below, or did you draw your roof really as a facade?
No, I think the shape of the building is really the result of the place. It's an urban context with new projects next to it, which are very sober and rectangular. We want to create something more sculptural, and referring also to the very small streets in city center, and also the construction sites had a very special shape. So we wanted to make a fluent curve in the whole building, that's really contrasting to the other buildings. So that form we wanted to articulate it also on the roof, of course. So zinc was an appropriate material to do it, but also with the light slopes, I think zinc was the best solution, but it was really designed as a fifth facade. It was not a result, it was really, we took care of that roof.
It's something that appeared during the design process then?
Yes, of course. Yes, sure.
Not an objective, not a goal?
No, we really took attention to it, knowing that the roof was very visible from out of the library. So, and also with the roof light, yes, it had a particular attention.
I think if there is an image that show the building where this shot was done, because there is a tall building very close to the one you designed, and it looks like you tried really hard to design the building, so it was good seeing not only from below but also from above.
Yeah, of course, really, because this library is very transparent. You have the circulation along this facade, so you really look up to that house. We have a very closed facade here because of the privacy. We have the roof light you see on the other picture, of course, to let all the light into the living rooms, but it's really closed up to the library.
Anyway, one question is, it's very strange the location of this plot between a storage building and a library.
Now, when you see, can we go back to the first picture? Of when I showed the location, here is an existing house of the daughter of the owner. Here was a storage building, and here there were a lot of storage buildings also, and an office building. Those were demolished, and here is a new library. There are new shops, new apartment buildings. But anyway, we had to arrive by these narrow streets. Now, luckily, there is also a public space. But this project combines the entrance of this house with this new house. The urban project was only only focusing on this side, not on the neighboring sides. So we wanted to give a better image from out of this new project.